can actually see places where you see mist flying across the water. It's not raining. That's just mist from the whitecaps that have been smashing. It's not a drop of rain from the sky, but there's actually mist flying across the lake just because of all the wind. That's bad weather. You cannot canoe in that. So I'm glad I'm in a good spot because I am not moving in this kind of weather. Day 7 on Ima Lake. Very strong winds have come up. It was strong yesterday, but just inconvenient strong. Today they're like dangerous strong. So I've got a tree here. I actually just pulled my tent that had been right there. You can see the drag marks. So I got up and took a look, and I looked at this tree that I don't remember it leaning yesterday. And the thing that's amazing is you can see the crack marks forming and coming up. So those roots are getting soft, and I think there's a very strong chance this wind is going to take this tree down. Back to the tree. Let's watch the ground open up and close up. The wind. Just missed it, but my pine tree is still standing, but a big birch tree about 20 yards behind me just came down. Heard it cracking, and it's gone.